Mayong adlaw mga higala, this is your Maestra Judy. I teach conversational Bisaya Cebuano in my channel. In this lesson, I'm gonna teach you how to say, I am studying Bisaya. I am studying Bisaya. Nagtuon ko og Bisaya. Nagtuon ko og Bisaya. Now, let's break it down. Studying is nagtuon. Nagtuon. In the Bisaya sentence construction, we usually put the verb at the beginning of the sentence, then followed by the subject and then the object. In this case, the verb is nagtuon. Nagtuon. Then, ko is I. Ko. And then, we have og. Og is like a or an in the English language. At the same time, it is an objective article. So it's like a connecting word. It connects adjective to noun or verb to noun, sort of like that. Og is very important because without it, you will sound childish and on the sentence, it will sound broken. Okay, let's practice and repeat after me. Nagtuon ko og Bisaya. Nagtuon ko og Bisaya. Nagtuon ko og Bisaya. Okay, that's all for today, mga higala. Salamat kaayo for being with me today. There are two terms for our language. We have Bisaya or Binisaya. So Bisaya can also be the people living in the Visayas. At the same time, our language, Bisaya. Okay? If you want more lessons like this, please visit my site cebuano101.com for more, and please do give me a like. That will really help my channel. I'll see you again next week for another short video lesson. Bye!